Shanghai is one of the world's megacities. With 24 million inhabitants, it is, in fact, the second most populous city in the world. Surrounded by water, the old city and modern downtown Shanghai are located in the center of an expanding peninsula between the Yangtze River Delta to the north and Hangzhou Bay to the south. But Shanghai, which translated means above the sea, is also one of the most vulnerable cities when it comes to flooding. Like Shanghai, many cities are built near water, but rising sea levels, storms, and tidal surges are increasingly threatening these areas. BASF's water-permeable polyurethane system Elastocoast helps to protect coasts and cities. Installed along riverbanks and coastlines, its open structure absorbs and disperses water, reducing the velocity of the current and providing a suitable habitat for vegetation. Elastocoast is being used in Europe and Asia to ensure that rivers running through urban areas stay within their banks, and oceans do not damage or flood coastlines and cities. BASF. We create chemistry.